Hey guys, Ashley here, and if you are new, I share this channel with my twin sister Courtney, so you get two different houses on one channel. So that means also 2 videos per week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell. You get notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Don't mind me, I got my hair stuck on this hook here, but today, as you guys can tell from the title, I am deep cleaning my toddler's room. He is 1 year old. So that means we are putting things back where they belong, decluttering, wiping down the walls with them cedar mop, moving things around, rearranging and dusting. So if you need some motivation to clean your toddler's room, your bedroom, living room, whatever the case may be, I'm pretty sure this video will help you out with that situation. So like I said, guys, make sure you subscribe if you are new. And if you truly enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let's start finishing up this room.
Heard you saying something last night in your sleep, smiling on your face like you wouldn't believe. I think I see some changes in your energy. Did you try to find another lover better than me? So go, just leave me alone, back where you belong. You can call me crazy, okay, maybe, yeah. So I'm losing control. Tell me if you're feeling tied up, then let me cut you loose. Cut you loose. Yeah. So go, just leave me alone, back where you belong. You can call me crazy, okay, maybe, yeah. So I'm losing control. Tell me if you're feeling tied up, then let me cut you loose. I'm making assumptions, but my conscience is jumping. It's steady bump, bump, bumping, bump, bumping, bump, bumping. I'm feeling quite redundant, but I can see you fronting from Brooklyn to London, London. Go, just leave me alone, back where you belong. You can call me crazy, okay, maybe if you're feeling tied up, then let me cut you loose. So go, just leave me alone, back where you belong. You can call me crazy, okay, maybe, yeah. So I'm losing control. Tell me if you're feeling tied up, then let me cut you loose.
So I'm just going to quickly move this chest over here and then move the ride-on toys over here in this corner that I'm working on right now. And then all the Lego stuff will also be with the ride-on stuff because he does have that Lego truck you see right there in the corner that is green. So I figured I'd just leave that together. But I figured I'd introduce myself since I'm talking already. If you are new here, again, my name is Ashley. I've been with my significant other, Cisco, since high school, since 2007. I'm 30 years old. We have two beautiful sons together, a 1-year-old and 11-year-old. We also have a dog. His name is Havoc. He is a pit bull, and I believe he is about 10 years old. I can't seem to remember. But yeah, so basically what I'm doing now in the video is I'm going to be sweeping over here so that way I get everything all nice and cleaned up and put all the ride-on toys in this corner. We like for you guys to introduce yourself to in the comment section if possible. That'd be amazing. Tell us your name, how old you are, how you found us. If you have any kids, let us know, guys. We love to communicate with you. And if you are enjoying the video so far, please give it a thumbs up. All right, so I'm going to let the music play. Let's have some fun. Let's finish up this room. So I meant to ask you guys this at the beginning of the video. I hope you guys had a nice 4th of July. If so, what did you guys do? Was it a laid back type of environment you were around? Did you go out? Did you go to a family cookout? Let me know what you guys did. What we did was we went to my older sister's house. She had a cookout over at her house. And then on 4th of July, I went to Six Flags. And then today, Wednesday, the day that I'm finishing up editing this video, we went to Lincoln Woods. They have a little like beach there, lake, or whatever they call it. I don't know. But we went there and to plan my little one's birthday party. We like to go there, and it's summer. His birthday's in the summer, so we like to enjoy the environment. So let me know what you guys did for your 4th of July weekend. Was it eventful? Was it laid back? Let me know.
I surrender. Oh, you've locked down my heart. I surrender. Nothing can keep us apart. I can smell her on your skin, the bitter taste of her perfume. If my heart was yours to win, you don't deserve it, boy, you lose. We're in the jungle, and while we're out here, you are playing by my rules. 'Cause everyone knows fighting me's a battle you don't wanna lose. I surrender to you. Oh, you've locked down my heart. I surrender to you. Nothing can keep us apart.
Alrighty, friends, so here we are, just dumping this water out, getting the satisfaction of all that dirty water going down there, and then I give you a before shot. Here it is, of what the bedroom looked like before I had cleaned it, just to give you a little bit of a reminder of what I started with. This room, man, it never gives me a break, but you guys know how it is if you have kids. And then I'm going to give you a after, guys, do not worry, so you get that satisfaction. Sorry, my allergies are bothering me, but here is the after, guys. Let me know if you did enjoy today's video, if it motivated you, if you got entertainment. Let me know down in the comment section or by simply giving it a thumbs up. Share this channel out to family and friend, guys. Let's grow this channel. We love to do befores and afters, speed cleans, deep cleans, extreme cleans, normal cleans, routines, you name it. It's on our channel, so don't forget to check it out. And if you are new and you haven't yet, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified every single time we upload a brand new video. And that's 2 videos per week, guys. One from me and one from Courtney. I will see you guys next Thursday, and stay tuned for Courtney on Saturday.